Blast and Furious!
Hey, Skylander! I'm Tibbet, treasure hunter extraordinaire. Did you know that special legendary treasures are powerful items that can help you on your quest? Don't believe me? Well, pick up that legendary treasure and be amazed as we tap into its incredinormous powers! You may have noticed these treasure pedestals all over town. When you place a legendary treasure on one of them, it will unleash its power. Go on, place it on that pedestal. I'll show you how to use it. Well done, Skylander! Keep a lookout for legendary treasures during your adventures. Well, that's it. When you've finished up in town, head over to see Tessa.
Finders keepers! Ah! In the zone! In the zone! Airmail! Woohoo!
Okay, Skylander, if we're going to find the ancient Terra Squid, we're going to have to go see Sharpfin over in Motleyville. He owns the scrapyard there and deals in hard-to-find items, including information, which is what we need.
Wait, did you say scrapyard? Awesome! Maybe that Sharpie fella can give me some parts for my ship. Let's do this! Boom! Nice place you brought me to.
I'm sorry, Flynn, but we'll need help to find the Terra Squid.
From who? This place is a ghost town. Oh, hey, there's someone over there. How you doing there? I'm Flynn, the best pilot in Skylands. You probably haven't heard of me because you live out here in the boonies, but I'm kind of a big deal in the civilized world. We're looking for Baron Sharpfin. Heard he might be able to help us out. We're on important Skylandery business. Hello?
I don't like this.
Well, yeah, he's being super rude.
No, it's... Oh, no! Whiskers! You change him back!
I am sorry to have to inform you that Sharpfin is no longer the Baron. This municipality is under new management, so to speak. You are now the esteemed guests of the great Baron von Shellshock, servant of Lord Chaos and all-around power schnitzel. Willkommen to the new Motleyville.
That rotten shell-shock locked us up and evilized Whiskers. Watch out! Whiskers is going to attack!
No escape for the bird, so fight! The bird will have the last word in the arena. Watch the birdie! A little birdie told me you will lose, and he hates you. That bird's goose is cooked, yeah? Now this is bird watching. Your little bird serves me now.
Whiskers is free!
Suddenly, I remember a very pressing engagement. Auf Wiedersehen.
Skylander, you have to help us!
And what have we here? A Skylander, eh? Name's Sharpfin. That uppity crab back there barged into my town, acting like he owns the place, and started shipping my hard-earned valuables off to some chaos fella. Tell you what, help me rid this town of him, and I'll be forever in your debt. For a little while, at least. All right, Skylander. You chase down Shellshock, and we'll go after Tessa's birdie.
You probably deserve being locked in there.
Oh, you're not still mad about that, are you? They were homemade enchiladas. How could I resist?
Jumpy powerhouse.
Greeble Heaver.
How do you expect to catch me? You have no discipline! I'm always one step ahead of you. Catch me if you can, Skylander. And newsflash, you can't.
Be careful out there. We don't need anyone else hurt.
In the zone!
Watch out for those goo pits. They'll hurt you bad.
Finders keepers!
He's heading over the bridge.
This bridge is closed for repairs, Herr Skylander.
You take it from here, Skylander. I need to clean up this goop before it spreads any further.
For gold and glory!
Hey, Skylander! I was cleaning up this goop, but then they burst into flames. I made it out safe, but I left my lucky hat behind. Would you mind grabbing it for me?
Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the undead element are stronger in this zone.
All right. Finders keepers.
You will never catch me! Look at all these legs! You will never catch me!
Hide and sleek.
It is not so easy to get rid of me, dwarf trottles. I go boom, you fall down.
We'll need something pretty powerful to get through this junk pile. I bet Gibbs has got something stashed away that can help us.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Stay out of my way.
gate. Yeah, I figure you're gonna need a cannon to get into that village. Lucky for you, I happen to have one. Here you go. This old cannon ought to do it for you.
Roll with the punches.
Are you sure you didn't break anything in my shop? I better go check anyways and make sure. Best to catch your teeth before you bite down on something.
Undisputed success! Let's go the distance! Undisputed success! Pushing on! Stick and move!
There is a famous saying in Skylands, one Mabu's trash is another Mabu's treasure. Perhaps that's why Sharpfin, the Baron of Motleyville, is rumored to be the wealthiest person in the Cloudbreak Islands. It is said that there is no junk he would not accept, as long as he could sell it back to you for 3 times its value.
Knockout! Opportunity knocks!
Level up.
Power punch!
never catch me!
In the zone!
It is not so easy to get rid of me, dove trottles. I go boom, you fall down.
We'll need something pretty powerful to get through this junk pile. I bet Gibbs has got something stashed away that can help us.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
This is my kind of place.
Only a swap Skylander with the speed ability can activate this.
Any last wishes?
Swap zone.
It's classified. Yes.
What are you doing blowing up my gate? Yeah, I figure you're gonna need a cannon to get into that village. Lucky for you, I happen to have one. Here you go. This old cannon ought to do it for you.
On the case. Aha! Time to infiltrate. On the case. Time to infiltrate. Moving on. Earth Gear Golem.
Meet my new champion, a sand golem. I call him Sandy. I have an earth golem. Do you have an earth golem? I don't think so.
Born to burn!
You got some sand in your shorts now, yeah? Obviously a defective golem. I'll be the same. Careful, the sand gets everywhere.
The perfect swarm! Buzz off! check this place out.
Guten Tag. I must be going.
It's feeding time!